Hey everybody, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and want to talk about today's video, which we're going to get into, but I want you to like and subscribe to the channel if you don't like insurance companies like me. Today's episode, today's video, why is my insurance company hiring an engineer? We're going to get into the discussion about who these engineers are, what they do for the insurance company, why they do it, and what you can do. So let's get right into this video. So we're going to be talking about the why insurance companies hire engineers and who these engineers really are. So let's start with the why. Why does your insurance company, why have they decided to hire an engineer for your roof claim or your water leak claim? Now, any type of pipe break, they may bring in an engineer or a leak detection company. I'm going to put leak detection people underneath this same engineering category. Here's the why. They're not engineers. They are only by degree. Their main job is to be a claim denial specialist. So the reason why insurance companies do this is because they want to essentially psychologically let you think that you have no opportunity, okay, to get your claim paid from the insurance company. That's our number one objective. So you get the denial on your roof claim, and according to the engineer report, the adjuster puts in there, well, the engineer found that the roof was old, it has wear and tear, it's not from the wind, that there's harsh weather that's not covered underneath the policy. They'll say that it was poor workmanship. I mean, they could come up with 1,000 different things. That's a copy and paste that they probably did from some other roof claim. All right? So these people are only working for the insurance company. I imagine they couldn't make it into the real world as real engineers. So then they went off and did something easy, worked for the insurance company, writing these fabricated copy and paste reports. Are they fabricated? Yes, they are. Do they have any ground to stand on? Very little. Do we as public adjusters or attorneys I work with give any credence to their reports? Absolutely zero. Zero. It doesn't change the outcome that we get for our clients as far as settlements. It has no influence on our outcome for settlements for our clients. And the attorneys feel the same way. It's the same engineers, and I'm going to show you the blacklist of engineers. I'm going to give you the blacklist here in Florida. Every insurance company who uses these engineers, you're going to see them sooner or later if you haven't already. So we're going to get into that. And let's go over the list real quickly here. All right, so let's take a look at some of these claim denial specialists for the roofing side. We got a company called SDII Global. Rimkiss, they do a lot of State Farm. SDII Global, American Integrity, a few other companies. Company called Root Cause, Donan Engineers, ProNet Group, Grinley Williams. These are the people that are trying to deliberately hurt your claim and you. Now for the water side, water damage, leaks, pipe breaks. Universal uses a company called C&K for about 15 years. MV5, SDII Global, Leak Detection, Hydroscout, and American Leak Detection. All these guys, when you file a claim, are trying to deliberately deny your claim. Know that. They're not your friend. We're going to talk about what you can do, okay, in the next slide. So let's talk about what you should do if you happen to have this engineer and you cooperate with the insurance company to have them come inspect your home. First thing you should do, get the business card. This is extremely important, and it's undervalued by public adjusters and or attorneys. And let me explain the reason why briefly. So if you don't ask for the business card, they will send somebody. And then if you happen to fight it and you go through a lawsuit, they won't produce a person that was actually the person who inspected the property. They're going to produce their quote unquote expert deposition taker. All right? And he'll look over the notes and he'll give his canned responses. So you need to not only get the business card, here's the other thing you need to do. You need to verify that and check that with his driver's license. Listen, in today's day and age, you don't know who these people are just because somebody gives you a business card. It may seem out of the blue, but you tell your insurance company, listen, I just want to let you know I'm going to agree to the engineer, but I want that engineer to have a business card and I want to see a driver's license or verify the identification of the individual. Okay? That's number one, and probably the most underrated, undervalued thing you as a homeowner and public adjusters, what you can do as well. All right? Then, you know they're going to deny your claim. Even before this engineer gets to your home, I would want to see you get representation. As soon as you get an email or a phone call saying, hey, we want to bring this engineer just to see what's going on, you should be picking up the phone, calling a good public adjuster, or calling a good attorney. All right? That's how you handle this situation. Don't try and go at it alone because you know, I'm telling you, what the end result is. Remember, they are not engineers. They are claim denial specialists. All right, let's wrap this up. So we looked at why insurance companies hire engineers. Engineers are known from our end as a claim denial specialist. They're meant to hurt your claim. They're meant to discourage you and meant to hopefully bring you to your knees so you don't fight the claim. You get the letter saying the engineer found this, this, and this wrong with your roof or water leak. And you say, oh, well, looks like we tried, but we're not going to get any money from this claim. That's a wrong approach, a wrong thought process. If you happen to let an engineer come to your home, and even if you're working with a public adjuster like me, I will tell you, get their card, verify who they are by way of looking at their driver's license. And then the other thing that I brought up was that, yes, you should, from the beginning you hear engineer, get help. Hire a good public adjuster. Hire a good attorney if you want. And then I listed all these wonderful people who work for the insurance companies. I gave you the list here in Florida of these claim denial specialists who work for all these different insurance companies here in Florida that are meant to hurt you. I'm Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. If you don't like insurance companies, give me a like. If you don't like insurance companies, just like I do, all right, subscribe to my channel. You get all the videos, educational videos, how-to videos, just looking to educate the people. And you'll notice, this is a great part, a lot of my videos, I get these insurance company employees, whether they're adjusters, attorneys, they're coming to this channel, they're scared. They don't want you guys to learn about this. They don't like that I'm educating you guys on everything. This is their little baby. This is their lifeblood. This is how they make money, by not paying you. I'm Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Thanks for watching this video.